Okay, walking down the sidewalk. Yay, yay. Looking good. Oh yeah, baby, here it is. Ta-da! Looks pretty good. Hopefully it looks as good on camera. Yeah, I like it. Little sunny. Okay, oh, I like it. And especially when it's gonna get even more chunky, like the perii are still medium mature. They can be just a tiny bit bigger, that one can, and this one can definitely be way more bigger, so that'll be great. The sunspot, that's a gorgeous one. That one's almost as big as it'll get, maybe a little bit bigger. And then of course the Yucca rostrata, that's gonna get way better. And that'll anchor this corner, so that'll be really cool. Planted a few more in my agave patch here, so I think those are Dickias maybe. And that one is a soft leaf. I think it's an agave. And then I planted this one, I think is Gentrii Jaws. All right, got Puya, Dickia, agave. Looks like, sort of like perii, but I don't think it's perii. And it's pupping like crazy. What do you think that is? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Oh, that's cool. That's cream. Well, anyways, that's funny because sunspot is supposed to look like this one. That's cool. All right. As one of the YouTube digital creators says, enough jibber jabber. Enjoy. Happy gardening.